In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain in GoDaddy in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have your domain directed to the correct hosting provider. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for GoDaddy. Once you find it, navigate to the GoDaddy homepage. You'll want to locate the Sign In button. You can typically find this at the top right corner of the GoDaddy page. Click on it to log into your GoDaddy account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first by following the simple registration steps provided. Once you're signed in, go directly to your domain portfolio. This is where you'll see a list of all the domains you own. Next, identify the domain that you wish to configure. Whether it's for personal or business use, selecting the right domain is crucial. Carefully click on the domain to manage its settings. Now, search for the DNS settings or name server settings associated with this domain. It's usually found in a menu or tab dedicated to DNS management, so take a moment to navigate through your options. Once you're in the DNS settings, you'll need to update the name servers. These are essentially like the postal addresses that tell the internet where to direct traffic for your domain. Your hosting provider, which could be a service like Bluehost or SiteGround for example, will give you the specific name servers to use. These will typically look something like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. If you're unsure about where to find these, check your emails or contact your hosting provider for assistance. With those name server details ready, go back to your GoDaddy DNS settings. Here, you'll find options to edit the current name server records. Replace the existing ones with the name servers provided by your hosting provider. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid any errors that might misdirect your domain traffic. After you've inputted the new name server information, ensure to save the changes. This step is essential. Keep in mind that it might take a while for these changes to propagate across the web. This means it could take up to 24 to 48 hours for your domain to point correctly to your hosting provider. During this propagation period, it's perfectly normal if your website isn't immediately accessible, so don't worry if you encounter some downtime. And that's it. You've successfully pointed your domain in GoDaddy. Make sure to check back periodically to see if your changes have taken effect. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. See you next time.